Hi friends, welcome back. Or if this is your first time visiting my channel, watching my video, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy the painting process and subscribe to my channel. My channel is all about creating and sharing regardless of your ability. Today I'm painting a pair of semi-abstract floral for home decor, and I'm using gray and yellow. The reason why I'm using yellow and gray is because I would like the look to be contemporary, and yellow and gray has color but not too colorful. I haven't seen any yellow and gray combination that I don't like. The bright yellow in the little cup there is actually a cadmium yellow from the tube, and I mix it with some bright green and a little bit of red to darken it. As you can see, the lower part of the blossom, I purposely make the yellow look a little bit green, and the upper right side of the flower is warmer. I warm it up by adding a little bit of red. I'm using Canson watercolor paper. It is made by the same company that produces Arch watercolor paper. Both Canson XL and Arch are acid-free, but Canson is quite a bit cheaper because it's machine made. It is only 90 pounds, kind of thin, but very tough. It's heavily sized. That's why the water doesn't absorb by the paper as much as quickly as watercolor papers of different brands. I take advantage of it by layering down the base layer, and while the base layer is still wet, I add a little bit of accent color on top of the wet base layer, or same color, slightly darker tone, so that the pigment can travel in the water to create interesting, happy surprises, adding texture to the painting. By the way, I am not paid by any manufacturers. I am commenting based on my experience, years of experience of using those materials. I'm moving on to paint a second flower, different shape. I paint this pair with home decor market in mind. Very often we offer a pair of paintings that do not look exactly the same, but they will work together as a pair on the wall. So I'm painting the mate to the first Protea. Similar to the first one, this will have a single flower, but this one will be facing the opposite direction, and we'll have more leaves, a little bit bigger flower head, exact same color, gray and yellow. I'm only using black and diluted for the gray. And for yellow, I'm using cadmium yellow and adding green or red or a little bit of both for variation. Here's the finished painting. Here's the first one I painted, and here is the second one. Thanks so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe to my channel. Happy painting. I'll see you next time.